I want to welcome you to our family. Again, my name is Nauder Khazan. I'm the Director of Field Development in LiveGood. My job is to help you how to share the love of LiveGood while you're getting healthy and staying healthy and doing it affordable yourself. There are very, very simple things in LiveGood. Let's don't complicate it. We are all about the highest quality products at the lowest price with full documentation. We've made so many videos and we have all kinds of tools for you to help you go out there and share this opportunity with all your friends. But the most important thing is for you to get healthy yourself. One of the biggest gifts that we're going to give you that you can also share with your friends, especially this time of the year, to start their health journey is the most comprehensive health system on the planet. When you join LiveGood, you are given many free tours. Besides the fact that you're getting training with Lisa and Ryan absolutely for free, and you can get your hands on the most advanced products made by the best ingredients on earth close to cost. How do we do it? With the power of the club membership. Traditional stores being a vitamin store, a doctor's office, a clinic, a multi-level marketing company. Those traditional companies, let's say I have my products, we're traveling for holidays, we bring all of our products with us. This is not a, so I just tell you what, let's say they have to make a, let's say they make a D3K2, which this time of the year is one of the hottest sellers. Let's say they make this for about $7. Traditional companies, being a doctor's office, vitamin store, old network marketing companies that gave away cars and trucks and pink Cadillacs and rings, they make it for $7. They have to sell it for 10 times the price to pay for operation, to pay that doctor, to pay that clinic that marketing it, to pay that grocery store, to pay the trucks to take it from store to store. So that's how a $7 product just traditionally becomes about $70 by the time it makes it to the grocery store or vitamin store. Talking about network marketing, same thing. Started in 1934. They make a product for $7. They sell it for about 10 times the cost. The gap goes into paying commissions and paying people. And some of those traditional network marketing companies, that most of them are out of business now because people buying habit of shift and people got more educated. A lot of those companies have multiple offices and multiple officers and corporate officers. So the $7 product becomes 70 in the case of the old network marketing companies. And yes, very small percentage. 1 out of 1,000 people who join those kind of companies to make money actually make any money, because people wake up traditionally or statistically after 2.8 months, under 3 months, and like, I'm not going to pay $65 for a D3K2 when the website of the same company is giving away cars and rings and pink Cadillacs at a cost of me paying $70 for a $7 product. So that's what we talk about when it's people buying habit shifted, people getting more educated, and that's where LiveGood comes in. We're the highest quality, we make the highest quality products with the best ingredients money can buy. We show you exactly what we put in there. Ben actually just did a video yesterday, I think, that actually with Mo, one of our social media team guys, is that they were talking about back and forth, going through the ingredient list of those companies and what we actually show you what we exactly put, and we proudly put the recipe in there. So when we talk about highest quality products fully documented, we really mean it. On top of that, all of these products come with 100% money back guarantee. Even if you don't like the product, send them back to us empty up to 90 days. We give you all your money back. Guess what? Even that being on the place in place in 3 years, we don't get any products back. Why? These are the highest quality products made by the best ingredients money can buy, and we bring it to you at cost. How can we bring it to you at cost? The same way Costco has 110 million people paying Costco $12.95 a month. So if you want to save money on milk, you got to buy 2 gallons. Or if you want to save money on whatever ketchup, you have to buy 2 gallons of ketchup. But guess what? 100 million people are paying Costco that kind of money. So Costco can buy the product in the club warehouse and bring the products to the members at almost cost. Look at Amazon. Amazon got 200 million people paying Amazon $14.95 a month. So if you overpay for some product that was made for $5 and you pay Amazon $60 for it, you get free shipping out of it. Guess what? People are doing it. 200 million people doing it with Amazon. The future of commerce, ladies and gentlemen, is club membership. When you have a 2 million, 3 million, 10 million, soon 100 million people in a community, in a family called LiveGood, inevitably you're going to have nutritional suppliers, you're going to have supplement suppliers, what the best ingredient farms on the planet, service suppliers coming to our community, say, hey, we would like to supply you, we would like to be a part of this LiveGood revolution, we like to bring you our services, we like to bring you our products, please let us be a part of your community. That's the power of club membership, and we're dominating the industry. We've been around for 3 years. We've broken every record in the industry. There's no other company doing what we're doing. I believe it's because of the greed, because when you make a product for, let's say, $8 and like us bring it to people for less than 10, that's because we don't make money on the tangibles. We don't commission these products. We make it for 8. We make it with the highest quality we bring it to you at the lowest price. Why? Because we don't have to commission the actual products. Yes, on the first order, we reward the member member that brought you to us, just to thank them for bringing another family member to our LiveGood ecosystem. But we don't commission the actual products. We commission the membership that enables people to get these products at cost, very close to cost, and get trained by Lisa. That's the revolution of commerce. And that's another reason on the home-based business side, 3 out of 10 people that join LiveGood almost immediately start telling their friends about LiveGood. Why? Because when they look at our compensation plan, they don't see us giving away cars and trips and rings at a cost of a single mother, a police driver, or a firefighter that just want to get healthy and stay healthy, paying $65 for a CBD oil that costs about $14 to make. So we, as LiveGood distributors and LiveGood family members and ecosystem and pioneers, whatever you want to call us, one of the things we've done, we've educated the world that, ladies and gentlemen, you can get healthy, you can stay healthy, you can do it in an affordable way. And it's so easy to do it. And we can do it. Why? Because we run our operations, we pay our commissions, we promote our company on that $9.95 a month. So when you are making the money, when you're paying the money, when you're paying the commissions, when you're rewarding the proud members that are out there holding their chin up, sharing LiveGood with their beloved, especially this time of the year, we can do that on the $9.95 with 2 million people, 3 million people, 4 million people, 10 million people. When those numbers keep growing, we're going to have a company that's going to have everything you can imagine its arsenal. Just like Amazon started with books and now nearly Amazon have everything. Don't be surprised that in 10 years, we'll have all kinds of offers and services in our LiveGood back office. Just like when you go to Costco right now, when you walk out, they got air conditioning, they got water filter, they got solar. I'm not making promises. I'm just saying there is something about the power of club membership. There is something about 2 million people proudly out there getting healthy, staying healthy, doing an affordable way, knowing nobody's getting a pink Cadillac, knowing no doctor is getting rich off of them because they're selling the price for double of what they got it for. That's the revolution of LiveGood. But let me tell you how it gets started, especially this time of the year. Again, Happy New Year. Today is New Year's Eve. First things first, you just joined LiveGood. Welcome to our family. You want to place your product order. All of our products come with 100% money back guarantee. I strongly recommend you start with our detox pack. It's less than $1.10 a day. It's going to help you get rid of all the garbage in your body. And yes, unfortunately, even if you eat healthy and take care of yourself, there's so many toxins in the air that everybody needs to detox. Especially this time of the year, people might go out drinking, partying. So we have a great detox product. You definitely want to check that out. But what you want to do, you want to place your detox pack. You want to cleanse your body, get rid of all this stuff that's in there, all the toxification, get them out of there to get your body ready for what LiveGood is going to bring you in 2026. So you want to go ahead and first things first, you want to place your product order, log in your back office, place the product order. If I were you, I would get the detox pack and the ultimate wellness pack. To be honest with you, the whole thing is about $4 a day. If I were you, if you only want to do one, do the detox pack. You want to get your detox pack. That's step number one. And be excited, because if you were going to get that detox pack from anywhere else, being a vitamin store, old network marketing companies, the ones that used to be around that gave away cars and rings and Cadillacs and trips on it because the single mother paid $75 for a $15 CBD oil. That's the old way of doing it. The way we're doing it is different. As I mentioned, we commission the membership, so therefore we can bring you the products at cost. And that's why a lot of people in LiveGood never done network marketing, or they've done it and they didn't succeed. Now here they're immediately start referring their friends and their loved ones, because they see their friends are not being price gouged. They see when we make a magnesium for $8, we bring it to you for $9. Why? Because we run our operations, we pay our commissions, we do everything out of that $9.95 a month. So we can focus on the highest quality products at the lowest price and bring it to you. So you place your product order, you're excited, just look how much money you just saved. On the detox pack, you probably saved 50%. So you're excited, you just saved some money. Step number two, I want you to log into your back office and fill out the most comprehensive health assessment on the planet. It's our gift to you, and it's also one of your best recruiting tools. Trust me on this. Step number one, place your product order. Step number two, you want to log in and buy it and fill this out. I wish we had enough room in the URL box that would say the most comprehensive health assessment on the planet.com / your username. We didn't have enough room in the URL bar, so we just put myfreehealthreport.com / your username. Again, this is the most comprehensive health assessment on the planet. It's so detailed. Any other company out there, any other clinic out there, any other wellness center out there, yes, they'd ask for your email and give you a couple of blanket answers to a couple of questions, but to get as detailed as this, as they do in our company, they're going to charge you $175 to $225 for a survey this intense. So you want to fill this out honestly with your best email address and get it to the company. That's step number two. So step number one, you place your product order. Let's say the detox pack, you want to get rid of all the junk out of your body, and the ultimate wellness pack, all about less than around $4.50 a day, and you filled out the most comprehensive assessment found in the back office under the webinar section and website addresses, and you fill this out. Now, what do you want to do? Ladies and gentlemen, at the rate we're growing, let me tell you this, 3 out of 10 people that are joining LiveGood, most of them with zero experience in a home-based business in the past, because LiveGood will be many people's first and last side hustle, are out there immediately sharing with their friends and getting about 3 of their friends join LiveGood. Why? Because they don't want their, first of all, they want to bless their friends. Highest quality products at the lowest price with full documentation. I mean, we literally hand you the recipe and the ingredient list. So people are proud out there sharing. And again, when they log into our compensation plan page, they don't see us giving away pink Cadillacs or rings or exotic trips to people who sold a lot of products. Because if we did that, that means we overcharge for the products. That's just that simple. So you place the product order, you just saved a lot of money, you're excited about that. Now you want to reach out to everyone that you know, ladies and gentlemen. Everyone that you know, especially this time of the year, around the holidays, are expecting to hear from you. And all you want to do is bless them with the gift of life. Help them start 2026 an awesome way, a beautiful way, a fun way. And how do you do that? This time I'm calling my friend Ben. Ring, ring. Ben, I'm a phone guy. I don't do emails. All of my emails are on autoresponder, by the way. If you want to get a hold of me, send an email to nauder@livegood.com. I've gotten about 480,000 emails so far. The autoresponder, Gmails, not me. Don't give me any credit. I'm not high tech. The autoresponder will send you a ton of trainings and my personal phone number. So I'm a phone guy. I talk to hundreds of people a day. I just got a call from one of Kelly Toller's people. She's a diamond in our company that's working in trade. I just love being on the phone. So I'm just going to use my example. If you do it on social media, if you use messenger pigeons or smoke signals to communicate, whatever you do, God bless you. I'm going to tell you how I do it. I'm a phone guy. You can see I've lost my voice. This time of year, we're doing so many Zooms for the end of the year celebration of LiveGood, but I'm still a phone guy. So phone rings, Ben, I call, bless my friend Ben. I've known him for 25 years. Hey, Ben. He picks up the phone. Yo, dude. I'm going to say, hey, brother, how's it going? How's the family? He's going to say, great, dude. How's your family? Family's great. Hey, man, what's your email address? Let's say he's going to say, ben@aol.com. I'm going to say, that's awesome, bro. Have a happy new year. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. All that stuff. Check your email. Subject line is going to say, from Nauder, happy 2026. Bam. I'm going to hang up the phone. That's it. Now I'm going to go to my back office. I'm going to grab my freehealthreport.com/username. The most comprehensive health system on the planet. Then in the back office, there's a section that's very, very important. That's Lisa and Ryan's Monday Zooms. Log into that website. I will log into that side of the website under the webinar sections, and I will grab a couple of Lisa and Ryan's Zooms that I would think it's going to bless Ben. He's my friend, so I know if he's been struggling with weight management, I'll send him Arlene. If he's struggling with sleep, I'll send him our sleep patch. He's my friend. I know him. That's why in LiveGood, you want to tell your friends first. In traditional network marketing companies, people don't tell their friends because they don't want to price gouge their friends. In LiveGood, because they don't see us overcharging people and selling the products almost at cost with the highest quality, people do want to tell their friends, and that's LiveGood. So you just saved a lot of money. You want to grab Lisa and Ryan's Monday Zoom. So again, in the case of my friend Ben, let's say he likes to work out, which he does, and I know our E3 is the best workout in the world, pre-workout in the world. So I'm going to grab the E3 link. I'm actually got my E3 over here because I got back-to-back Zooms for New Year. I'll grab the E3 link of Lisa and Ryan found in the webinar section. I'll grab, as I mentioned to you earlier, the most comprehensive health assessment on the planet because it's a free gift from my friend Ben. And I grab my LiveGood website and I just send it to Ben. That's all I do. I'm going to do that to everyone that I know this time of the year. Then once a week, every Monday, when Lisa and Ryan are doing their Zooms on Monday, I'm going to go ahead and text Ben again or email Ben again or however I communicate. Hey, bro, hope all is well. Hope you had a great weekend. Hey, we're just thinking about you. Remember I told you about some of our owners, Lisa and Ryan, they just did a great Zoom about our black seed oil that's known to be the remedy for everything but death. I was thinking about you. Have a blessed week. Have a good week. Have an awesome week. However you talk to your friends. Bam. Now again, send them that Monday Zooms about black seed oil. Send them again this because you don't know if they filled it out. And your LiveGood website and a picture of you with that product. Go out there and make little videos of the product. It doesn't have to be for showing. Just be proud of what you're doing. Post it on your Facebook. If you're not on Facebook, get a Facebook. You want to go out there and you want people to know that you're their LiveGood person because they're going to join LiveGood through you or someone else. It's inevitable. We're going to be a household name. If you want to clean a window, what are you going to use, ladies and gentlemen? You're going to use a Windex. If you want to wipe your nose, what do you use? You use a Kleenex. If you have a boo-boo on your finger, what do you use? You use a Band-Aid. Those are names that they became a household name. That's what LiveGood is going to be. All of your friends, I really think they're going to join LiveGood through you or someone else. So reach out to everyone that you know this time of the year. Give them a free Health of Life, which is the comprehensive health assessment. Send them a couple of Lisa and Ryan Monday Zooms and your LiveGood website. And every Monday after Lisa and Ryan do their Zooms, drip on them again, because sooner or later they're going to join LiveGood to get the highest quality products at the lowest price with full transparency. And maybe they want to make an extra 30, 40, 50 bucks a month to offset the product cost, or do it harder and make some serious money, because there's a lot of serious money in here. We paid over $130 million in commissions in 3 years to almost everyday people who were just proudly out there sharing the love of LiveGood, not chasing money. That's LiveGood. That's why, because of LiveGood, ladies and gentlemen, more people are going to join the honest, true, kind, transparent network marketing opportunities. And because of LiveGood, more people are going to be able to get on supplementation. So LiveGood is going to revolutionize many industries: the industry of supplementation, the industry of home-based business, and just kindness and love. And it all starts with you becoming the product of the product. So happy New Year to all of you. Go out there, share the love of LiveGood, start posting, start bragging about the love you found in LiveGood. I love you all. I got about 9 more Zooms lined up for today, and we'll see you at the top.